Hello guys, and welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. Remember, we started this tutorial series, and in the last video we talked about running JavaScript on your browser, and in this video we're going to talk about running JavaScript on a console. Okay, so like when we did our Python tutorial, we were able to run Python on our command line on Windows. Now, if you're on terminal, you can also run that as well. Also, when you're writing in Python, for instance, you can install Python and have a Python terminal or a bash, terminal for writing Python code. Now, we're going to have the same or a similar kind of experience. You'll be able to run JavaScript on your command line. And how are you going to do that? You are going to do that using Nodejs. So in this video tutorial, you learn how to install Nodejs and how you can run JavaScript file on your command line for Windows or your terminal for Mac or Linux. So let's first and foremost install Nodejs. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your CMD if you are on Windows and then check if you have Nodejs installed. So to check, you just have to write node -- version like this and then hit the enter button. You hit the enter button and you get this message: Node is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. Then this means you don't have Nodejs installed. And then let's now install Nodejs. So I'll close this up. I'll open up my browser and then on my Google I'll just type download Nodejs. So once you have this, the very first website, nodejs.org, you can download Nodejs from this website. So I'm on Windows. I'm simply going to click on Windows to have this downloaded onto my computer. If you are using a Mac, right, you just have to click this. You can also use the source code to download this. So since I'm on Windows and I'm on 64-bit, of course, just click this and give it some time. It's going to be downloaded onto my computer. So this is like 29.2 megabytes. Just give it a few seconds and this will be downloaded onto my computer, and I'll show you how you can install Nodejs. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Nodejs is complete, the download is complete, and all I have to do is simply just click on the downloaded file and then the installation begins. So I have to click next. I'm going to accept the license, read and accept, and then I'll click next, and of course click next once again. Make sure you add to path and then click next. I'm just going to say automatically install the necessary tools. Yep, click next and then I'll click install, and of course this will take some minutes, and once it's installed we are going to check our command prompt on Windows or your terminal on Mac and to see if Nodejs is installed. Remember our node -- version we did the last time. We're going to do it again and let's see the output we get this time around. Once Nodejs is installed, we're going to click finish and click any key. So this is going to install some additional tools that your system probably needs, and once those tools are installed, yep, you can see that happen very fast. So once everything is good, let us check our Nodejs installation. So I'm on user, I'm just going to go into desktop. Okay, hit enter. I'm going to clear this so you can see it, and I'll write node -- version. Hit enter and you can see I now have version 14.18.1, which is the latest version as at this time of making this video. So we've installed Nodejs. I'm going to clear this. Now let us run our JavaScript files in Nodejs. So how do we do that? Let me minimize this and go back to my desktop. So on my command line, I'm going to just create a JavaScript file and have the simplest JavaScript code, which is console.log. In our last video, we talked about using console.log. It helps you to output stuff to your console. So I'm going to create a JavaScript file with the command echo. Now, if you don't know about the CMD commands I'm using, there is going to be a video in the description that you can watch to learn more about CMD command. So I'm just going to use the word echo, right? And I'm going to say console.log, okay? So echo console.log, and of course, we know our very basic JavaScript or very basic programming construct, right? So I'm just going to say echo this into a file, and that file is going to be called main.js, okay? And main.js is going to be on the desktop. If I hit enter, you see that this file has been created on my desktop right now. Now the next thing I want to do is run this file in Node.js. So because I have Node.js installed, I can easily do the node command, and then I'm going to say run main.js, okay? If I hit this, you can see I have hello world on this particular console. Now I'm going to open main.js in my code editor, okay? So I'm just going to say open main.js, right? And hit enter. Once I hit enter, it's going to open main.js right now, as you can see. And the file I have right here is, just close this. The file I have right here is console.log hello world, okay? Now, I'm going to change this world to innocent, my name, so you can see that this file actually works. And then I'll just save that, and then I'll come back to my CMD once again. Let me clear this so you have some space, or I can do CLS, and then I'll run the program again, which is what? Node, and the name of the JavaScript file, like this. Hit enter, and you see it outputs hello innocent. So if I decide to change innocent to some other name, you see I'm going to have that being outputted to my console. Now let's do write a number inside here, for example 5 plus 5, and save this, and then I'll come back to my console once again, do this, and you can see it outputs the correct answer. So this is how you can run JavaScript using Node.js on your command line or your terminal. So in the next video, we'll start talking about more JavaScript concepts like variables and other things in JavaScript. Okay, so if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the link, click the subscribe button, and then make sure you turn on your notification so you get alert when we upload our next video. Now for your JavaScript assignment for this lecture, you simply need to follow the instructions, download Node.js, right? Run your JavaScript file using Node.js, following these instructions, and then comment done under this video. Okay, so come back to this video once you're done and comment done, and then hopefully we'll upload next video very soon. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.